Hello, my name is NURUL binti PAUZI. This video is for the subject BMM for 8 to 3, which is Production, Planning and Control. Our project title is Lean Manufacturing System in Textile and Fashion Industry. Our group member consists of 4 persons, which is me, NURUL binti PAUZI. Second is Arvinthan, anak lelaki Thiagarajan. And third is NURUL AMIERA binti MOHAMAD NASIR. And last is ABDULFATTah AL-HAMEDI. So next is I was responsible for the chapter 1, which is introduction, and also for the chapter 2, which is literature review. For the introduction of our project, the textile industry is adopting lean manufacturing process. Lean manufacturing process to address challenges such as increased competition, changing customer need, and rising manufacturing costs. Lean manufacturing aim to maximize the productivity and also minimize waste within the manufacturing operation, which focus on delivering high quality product that meet customer requirement while minimizing resource wastage. So by implementing lean principle, the textile industry can streamline operation, exchange quality control, shorten lead time, and also reduce costs that leading to increased customer satisfaction and also profitability. So the principle of lean manufacturing originated from the Toyota production system, which is TPS, that focus on eliminating waste and increasing the production efficiency. The Malaysian government is supporting the implementation of lean manufacturing in textile industry to create a world-class manufacturing sector and exchange competitiveness in the global market. Lean technique can help eliminate waste and improve the quality of textile industry. That's all for the introduction of our projects. Okay, well, next is the objective of our project. The first objective is to investigate and understand key concepts, principles, and methodologies of lean manufacturing, such as Six Sigma, JIT, Kanban, Kaizen, agile manufacturing, dan practice and circular economy approach. The second is identify the driver and factor that motivate organization to adopt lean manufacturing practice. And third is to identify and define key performance indicators, which is KPI and sustainability metrics. So that's all for the objective of this project. Next one is for the chapter 2, which is literature review. So I decided to put the principle of lean manufacturing system in this subchapter. The first one is the first principle is to define value. The first principle of lean manufacturing focus on understanding and delivering customer value by identifying their preference, need, and expectation. So companies should actively engage with customer and conduct market research and stay updated on industry trend to define or align their product or service with the customer value. So next principle is map value stream. Analyzing the entire life cycle of product or service help identifying the waste or an area for the improvement. Value stream mapping, which is VSM, and other link tool can visualize map the flow of value and highlighted non-value added activity that should be eliminated. So that's it for the map value stream. The next principle is trade flow. Creating a smooth and uninterrupted flow of product or service through the production process is crucial because organizations need to strategically organize their workflow, optimize resource, and consider methods such as cross-functional department to ensure efficient product flow. So that's it for the third principle. The fourth principle is establish pull system, which is implementing a pull-based production system, trigger production based on actual customer demand, reducing waste and excess inventory. So the pull system aim to minimize work in process and inventory while ensuring necessary resources are available for the seamless workflow. Next, the last principle of the lean manufacturing system is the pursuit of excellence or Kaizen involve continuously improvement process and addressing the root cause of quality issue. Lean manufacturing emphasizes the need for the culture of continuous improvement to achieve perfection and eliminate waste across the entire value chain. That's it for the principle of lean manufacturing system. We proceed with the 7 type of waste. 7 type of waste of lean, which is first the overproduction, second defect, third is inventory, fourth is the transportation, 5 is waiting, 6 is motion, and lastly is overprocessing. For the first one, overproduction occur when more product are produced than necessary or before they actually needed, that leading to increased cost and potential waste. So, lean manufacturing aim to eliminate overproduction by implementing just-in-time production strategies, producing goods based on actual customer demand, and this is requirement. Lean manufacturing focus on reducing defects of the quality control measure, error proofing technique, and also continuous improvement process. The third one is inventory. Inventory waste involves excess amount of raw material, work in process, or finished good in material needed. So, lean manufacturing aim to minimize the inventory waste by implementing lean inventory management techniques such as Kanban system and pool-based production. The fourth one is transportation. Transportation waste refer to unnecessary movement of material and product within the production process. So, lean manufacturing aim to reduce transportation waste by optimizing the layout of the production flow and implementing efficient material flow system. The fifth one is the weighting. Weighting waste occur when people or equipment are either due to the delay or bottleneck in the production process. So, lean manufacturing seeks to minimize weighting waste by improving production flow, eliminating bottleneck, and also ensuring a smooth and continuous workflow. The next one is motion. Motion waste refer to unnecessary physical movement or action performed by workers that do not add value to the product. So, lean manufacturing focus on reducing motion waste by optimizing workstation and eliminating unnecessary movement and improving the ergonomy. The last one is over-processing. Over-processing waste involves performing more work on a product that is required by the customer, that resulting in unnecessary costs and results. So, lean manufacturing aim to eliminate over-processing waste by focusing on the value-added activity and also eliminating non-value-added process. That's all for the 7 type waste of lean manufacturing process. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Arvinthan. Today I'm going to present you my part of the project. So, the materials and the method. So, the concept is the textile fashion industry encompasses a wide range of concepts, tools, and techniques that are used in the design, such as marketing or production. So, these are some of the aspects. There is sustainable fashion, about incorporating environmental friendly practices and materials into the fashion industry. So there's the trend forecasting, which involves analyzing market trends, consumer behavior, and fashion improvements to predict the future design. So there's the color theory, the understanding the psychology of color and its impact on the fashion. So there's the textile design, it's the creation of patterns, molds, and surfaces designed for the textile. So there's the tools and the equipment slide. So this is some of the tools that will be used in the process. There's the scissors, the measuring tape, the tailor shack, the machine needles. There's the sewing needles. There's adjustable dressmaker that you can put all the fabric on and just adjust all the length, the size, if it's tight or not. So each has its own aspect. So these are the techniques. There are 4 techniques. There is yarn, fabric, garment manufacturing. There is the technical textile. So the yarn manufacturing. Traditionally, the production of yarn involves a number of steps that turn the fiber into yarn. Its foundation was made of natural fibers that came from organic plant or animal sources. You can see from the figure can be all the process for the yarn manufacturing. So this is the fabric manufacturing. As interlacing of fibers and yarn results in at least 2-dimensional structure known as the textile fabric. Woven, non-woven, and knitted fabrics are the most frequently used interlaced fibrous structures. So going to the next slide is the garment manufacturing. The term garment refers to a piece of clothing. Technology and art combine in the design and production of clothing. Automation CAD design. You can design all the things in the computer programs, and you can all modify to the implanted through the needles and through all the system. So, technical textile. Technical textile is a well-established area of enter the disciplinary application of for textiles. Any technical textile is a fabric structure or textile product that made for technical performance rather than purpose of fashion or aesthetics. The technical textile are currently consumed in a large quantities, and here are the 12 aspects of the technical textile. There is agro-tech, there is the cloth tech, there's the geotech, there's everything is related to the technical textile in the whole process. So,
Hi, hello, and good day to everyone. My name is Arvinthan, son of Thiagarajan, and my metric number is MA19143. Today, I'm going to present about the regarding our textile and fashion industry is case study. So this is one of the example case study we have discussed among our group members. The case study is BMM Textile is a textile manufacturing company of the moderate size of the specialized in products of woven fabrics instead of the apparel and home furnishing. The organization encountered obstacles associated with the elevated manufacturing expenses, extended production timeline, and constant pertaining to product quality. To mitigate these obstacles and enhance the overall efficiency, Banner Textile opted the integrated lean manufacturing principle. One of the lean manufacturing is value stream mapping. This is the example of how the value stream mapping looks like, VSM. The value stream mapping is a lean manufacturing technique used to analyze the improvement the workflow material and information required to bring to the product. The initial stage attained drafting a map of the value stream to discern the movement of the materials, information, and procedures across the production continuum. This value stream map, effectively identify region and superfluous activities, constraint factors, and suboptimal performance. PSM frameworks has been enabled the identification of the primary waste that is written the value streaming mapping, which has the significant impact to the pyjama. For example, on the pyjama line, they have a significant impact. So the objective to minimize the amount of the waste generated and if feasible, eliminate it through the utilization of the luggage modeling tool. This is one of the example for our banner textile industries. So this in BSM looks like this. This BSM is for our banner textile industry. Next, we're going to see about the Kanban. According to the Kanban tool, there is no occur of the excessive production within the purpose. The retrieval of the raw material is a necessary for the purpose production. In the cutting department, there's a common practice to store the excess cut panels for a short period of time, resulting in the increase of production of cuts. This subsequently lead to higher inventory cost. By utilizing the Kanban tool, it is possible to limit the reduction of the post-production and initiate the cutting process that based on the demand. However, it is crucial to ensure the activity does not have the swing production at the given moment. So this system offers the advantage of the providing flexible for the rapid style changeover while minimizing the inventory. Next is a Kaizen. Kaizen is a continuous improvement strategies that can be applied to all elements of the activities involved in the garment manufacturing. When it comes to process of the cutting, there's a few different aspects that may improve. During the process of stitching, we should work in improving the techniques for the handling fabric, reduce the number of the punctures as the result of the swing, and through the application of the strategy for the continued improvement, it is possible to establish the control stitch or the steam failure. The standard minute value SMP connected to the certain clothing is something that needs to lower as the goal, our goal. Next, we're going to see about the challenges, barriers, and opportunities. First is the challenges. We have 4 challenges. First is a cost competitive. Helps textile companies reduce the waste and optimize product process and minimize cost. For the efficiency, reduce the lead time and enhance the overall operational efficiency. This also increase our production and profitability. The third one is a customer satisfaction. So the manufacturing improve profit quality, reduce defects, and shorten the delivery time, resulting in the higher customer satisfaction. The final challenges is sustainability and environmental impact, reduction energy conversion of eco-friendly manufacturing process. Next, we're going to see about the barriers. There are barriers. They have three barriers. One is a complex chain supply. Here is a complex and a global chain supply, making the coordination and the synchronization of the supplies. Next is a seasonality and availability. Face fluctuation in the customer's demand due to the seasonality and the fashion trends, requiring flexible production system and the capacity management. Next is a workflow skills and enhancement. Engagement require upskill workflows, managing the resistance for change and the fostering employee engagement in the process of improvement initiatives. Next is the opportunities. Supply chain integration. The textile companies to collaborate with the suppliers, aligns with the production schedules and improving the overall chain supply. Next is the technology adoption. Embracing the advanced technologies such as automation, robotics, data analytics, and IoT can be enhanced the process of efficiency, quality control, and inventory management. Next is a sustainable manufacturing process. With the reduction, recycle, and reuse the eco-friendly material and process, enabling the textile company to align with the sustainability goal and capitalize on the growing demand. The next and last is a continuous improvement culture. So culture of the continuous improvement, empowering the employees to contribute ideas and identify the opportunities for the waste reduction and efficiency of improvement. That's all from my side. My friend will be continuing.
Now
Thank
I'll
you.
continue about the sustainability aspect KPI. Sustainability has become a crucial aspect of the textile fashion industry, with a growing emphasis of reducing environmental impact, promoting ethical practices, and ensuring social responsibility. These KPIs helps fashion brands and industry stakeholders monitor their sustainability progress, set targets, and drive continuous improvement to the whole industry. So, this is one of the three aspects. There's multiple aspects, but this is the most crucial one: the material sourcing and energy and waste, water usage, and the waste management. The material sourcing, they KPI the percentage of sustainable and ethically sourced materials in production. The second one is the percentage of recycled or upcycled materials utilized in products. Waste management, the KPI is about percentage of textile waste and the diverted from land lives through recycling or repurposing. So the energy and water usage is the KPI energy consumption per unit of production, kilowatt per garment, the water consumption per unit of production liters per garment. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is NURUL AMIERA binti Muhammad NASIR. My matric ID is MA1991. In this case study, I'm going to explain my parts, that is pros and cons, and then conclusion for overall study. So I will start with pros of lean manufacturing in the textile and fashion industry. So what can lean manufacturing concept do in this textile and fashion industry? First point, it will help to reduce waste, focus on identifying and eliminating waste in production processes, minimizing fabric waste, reducing excess inventory, and optimizing material usage. And for second point, it will help to improve efficiency by using lean principles such as streamlining workflows, eliminating bottlenecks, and implementing standardized processes by integrating quality checks and inspection at various stages. Catching and addressing defects early on, it will help to lead to high customer satisfaction and reduce returns to the company. The last point is it can be flexibility and adaptability. So how it can be particularly useful for managing changing customer demands, seasonality, and fashion trends. So the manufacturers can respond more effectively to market fluctuation and adjust production accordingly. Let's move on to cons of lean manufacturing concept in the textile and fashion industry. First point, we will to face workforce engagement in the textile and fashion industry, where creativity and craftsmanship play a significant role. So the employees may face challenges adapting to standardized processes and strict adherence to lean principle. Next, we will have to overcome variety and customization in this industry because In this industry, we often thrive on variety, customization, and rapid product development to cater to diverse consumer preference. Next, we will have to face complex supply chains. By implementing lean manufacturing concept in such an environment can be challenging to the need for coordination, collaboration, and synchronization across various stakeholders. And last, for cons of lean manufacturing concept in this industry, we will have to face upfront investment where implementing lean manufacturing concept may require significant upfront investment in terms of technology, training, and process restructuring. This investment may be difficult for small and medium business in the textile and fashion industry if they operate on tight budget or face constraints. Now we are going to move to conclusion, where the conclusion for overall this case study about textile and fashion industry. So, the implementation of lean manufacturing principle or concept in the fashion and textile industry is paramount important in addressing the sector's challenges and fostering sustainable growth. By adopting waste reduction process, optimization, and quality improvement, companies can achieve increased efficiency, cost savings, and enhance customer satisfaction, positioning themselves for success and rapidly evolving market. So, in this case study, we are going to focus to 4 points. That is, first, waste reduction; second, process optimization; third, quality improvement; and last, we will focus on employee engagement and continuous improvement. So point number 1 is focus on waste reduction. Overproduction and excess inventory can lead to financial losses and environmental impact, can help to reduce costs and minimize their carbon footprint. And second point is process optimization. It is vital for fashion and textile companies seeking to remain agile and responsive to shifting market demands. So by streamlining operation and minimizing lead time, companies can effectively meet customer preference and capitalize on emerging trends. Third point, in conclusion, we are going to focus on quality improvement. So maintaining high quality standard is essential for building brand reputation and fostering customer loyalty and demand. So companies can reduce product returns and customer complaints by identifying and preventing defects early on. And last, we are going to focus on employees engagement and continuous improvement by empowering their workforce to actively participate in process improvement initiative. Companies can tap into the collective expertise of their employees and unlock new ideas for efficiency gains and product innovation. So it will help foster a culture of innovation and problem solving within organization. That's all for this case study. It's about fashion and textile industry. Thank you.